Hey guys, if you want to get started quickly without spending a lot of time figuring things out, in this video I'll show you how to register on ExpertOption in just a few simple steps. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I've prepared a bonus for you. And if you want to go straight to the official registration page, you can use the link below. It will save you time and give you a better starting position. Let's keep this fast and clear. Step 1. Go to the official website and click sign up. You'll see a short form. Enter your email and create a password. If you want to speed things up, you can use Google or social login and skip manual registration. Step 2. Confirm your email. Check your inbox, click the confirmation link and your account is ready. Now step 3. You're inside the platform, and this is where ExpertOption feels different. Everything loads quickly, the interface is light and you don't feel overwhelmed. You have the chart, the controls and the main sections all visible at once. Now instead of trying to understand everything, do this. Click around for 1 minute. Switch between sections, open the menu and see how the platform responds. This is the fastest way to get comfortable. Because the goal at this stage is not to master the platform, it's to feel confident using it. And this is exactly where ExpertOption works well. It gives you a smooth start without unnecessary complexity. So what should you do? Register your account, confirm your email and spend just a couple of minutes exploring the interface. That's enough to understand the basics. And here's something that can make your start even better. When you use the correct link and top up your balance, platforms like ExpertOption often provide a bonus. This means you don't just start, you start with a bit more flexibility, which is always helpful in the beginning. So if you want a quick and simple start, use the link below. It will take you directly to registration, and when you top up your account, you'll get a good bonus to your balance from our channel when you register through the link, which will give you a better start. I'll also help you personally with a free consultation so you can avoid beginner mistakes. That way you save time and start with a clear understanding.